Hello everyone, myself Jayashree Pagar from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. My research topic is studies of urinary tract infections in diabetic and non-diabetic patients in NASH, its correlation with complete blood count, and also to study the effect of herbal extract on the resistance state. As we all know, diabetes is a group of metabolic disorder which is characterized by a high blood sugar level for a prolonged period. Near about 8.8% of world's adult population is suffering from diabetes at this moment, and these diabetic patients are more prone to various type of infections because of certain region. The urinary tract infection is one of them. Now, the urinary tract infection is the second largest group of infection in all over the world, and it is seen in all age group, both the sexes, male and female. These diabetic patients are more prone to urinary tract infection because of some reasons. Let's have a look at it. Poor metabolic control. Then there is resistance, antimicrobial resistance seen in various bacteria. It may lead to recurrent UTI, the impaired immune mechanism, the lazy bladder, which do not get voided completely. Then the sugar, presence of sugar in urine, it promotes bacterial as well as fungal growth. The frequent hospitalization may lead to nosocomial infection. All these factors, they lead to more frequency in the diabetic patients. As the world's major problem nowadays is antimicrobial resistance, many of the bacteria they show resistance towards the antibiotics. And now it's time to look for the alternative. So in our Ayurveda, we have seen there are so many plant product herbal extracts that show the antimicrobial property. And because of their biological and pharmacological properties, they have been used in drug designing and manufacturing of various drugs. So in my research also, I'm looking towards it. We have in our working principle, we have decided the sample size of 300 patients among Nashik, both diabetic and non-diabetic. Then we are going to collect the blood as well as urine samples for our research. The blood sample we are going to collect in EDTA. We are going to look for the complete blood count. In complete blood count, the WBC count is of very much importance for us because it is seen that the WBC count is elevated in most of the inflammation and infections. The urine sample we are going to collect in wide mouth sterile containers as medicine samples. Then that will be subjected for the isolation of urinary uropathogens with the help of different media like McConkey's agar, nutrient agar, clade agar, and blood agar. After isolation, we are going to identify those bacteria with cultural morphological characteristics and biochemical characteristics up to genus level. Then we are going to use certain antibiotics to see the antibiotic resistance of these uropathogens. The antibiotics will be suggested by the physician, the diabetologist in the Nashik city, and the uropathogen will show the multi-drug resistance. We are going to culture them for further study. We are going to prepare the herbal extract in various solvents like aqueous, methanol, ethanol, acetone, and by using CLSI guidelines, we are going to test the antimicrobial resistance of those multi-drug resistant uropathogen, which are shown resistance towards the antibiotic, and we will check the resistance toward this herbal extract also. In our targeted outcomes, among the 300 patients, we are going to see the percentage. What we expect, the percentage of diabetic patient with UTI will be more than the non-diabetic patients. The multi-drug resistant uropathogen will be tested against the antimicrobial activity of herbal extract in various solvent like aqueous, ethanol, methanol, acetone, hexane, etc. We'll check the WBC count, whether it is increased in the patients suffering from UTI, in diabetic and non-diabetic patients, and also we'll see the antimicrobial activity of our Herbal X Line. Thank you.